Hello and welcome student. So today I will discuss exercise 14.3 of class 8 from the chapter factorization. Okay. In my last video I did up to exercise 14.2. So today we will start 14.3. Okay. So our first question is given, carry out the following division. So these are the question, 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. Okay. So this can be written as 28x to the power 4 divided by 56x. Okay, so how many x is here? 4x, and here 1. So you can cancel it, or you can write it in this way also, 48x to the power 3 into x. So minimum x is what? 1, right? So you just separate it and it will be x to the power 3 divided by 56x. X cancel. You see 28 into 2 is 56. You can directly write it. So 28 into 1 is 28, 28 into 2 is 56. So this can be written as x to the power 3 divided by 2. Okay. Moving to the next question. Here it is given 66 p q square r cube divided by 11 q r to the power 3. Okay. Now here you see minimum, how many cube is here? 1, here 2, here r, sorry, here r, this 2. So r square and this is r cube. So this can be written as, I'll do it directly, 11 6 are 66 and q, how many q are here? 2q. If you cancel from 1, how many will remain? 1 will remain. And here r cube, if you divide by r square, how many will remain? 2 cancel, so 1 will remain. So this can be written as 6 p q to the power 1, that is q, and r to the power 1, that is r. So 6 p q r. Okay. So our next question is given, 12 a to the power 8 b to the power 8 divided by minus 6 a to the power 6 b to the power 4. So this can be written as 12 a to the power 8 b to the power 8 divided by minus is in the denominator, a to the power 6 b to the power 4. So this can be written as, you know how many a is there? A to the power 6 and here a to the power 8. So you can convert it in this way also. This minus n you take in the numerator, 12 a to the power 6, minimum is a to the power 6, right? Into, here 8 is there, so a to the power 2. A to the power 6 into 8 a square. If you add this one, then it will become a to the power 8. And this can be written as, minimum it is how much? B to the power 4. So this can be written as b to the power 4 into b to the power 4 divided by 6 into a to the power 6 into b to the power 4. Okay. So 6 2s are a to the power 6, a to the power 6, it will get cancelled. B to the power 4, b to the power 4, it will get cancelled. What will remain? Minus 2 a square b to the power 4. Fine. So moving to question number 2, divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. Okay, so this is a polynomial and you have to divide by the monomial. Okay, so this can be written as 5x square minus 6x divided by 3x. Okay, now what is common in this? We have to find first. So here the common factor is x, right? So you can write this one as 5x into x. The minimum power of x is 1. So you just separate it. So how many x was here? X square. So you can write x into x minus 6 into x divided by 3x. So what is common? X is common. Take it out. What will left here? 5x and here 6 and divide by 3x. Now x you can cancel. Here you can cancel. Okay, because here x is multiplying with this polynomial. Okay, so we'll count this one as one term and this is the another term. So x into 5x minus 6. Okay, you can cancel this one, but you cannot cancel this and this. Fine, this is all together one term. We'll see one more here. Here it is given this polynomial divided by this monomial. So you can write this one, x into x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divide by 4x square y square z square. Okay, so what is the minimum common factor? X square, y square, z square is common. See, in every case, x square is there, y square is and z square is there, right? So what you'll do, this one you can write as 8 into x square, y square, z square. This also can be written as y cube is there, right? So you can write x square, y square, z square into y, and here z cube is there, so this can be written as x square, y square, z square into z, divide by 4x square, y square, z square. So minimum common factor is x square, y square, z square. Here also, if you take it out, this can be written as 8 x square, y square, z square into, what is left here in the first term? X is left, so x here, y is left, and here z is left, divide by 4 x square, y square, z square. Now you can cancel this one. Okay, you can cancel this term with this, and 4 2s are, so this can be written as 2 into x plus y plus z. Yeah, so you have to find the common factor, minimum common factor, and take it out, and then you can cancel with the monomial. Fine, but if it is within the bracket, you cannot cancel it. Okay, so our next question is given, you have to divide this polynomial by this monomial. So let me write p to the power 6 3 q to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q to the power 3 divided by p to the power 3 q to the power 3. So what is the minimum common factor here? P cube, q cube, p cube, q cube, minimum, right? So what can be written, this one, this can be written as p cube, q cube into, how many q is there? 6. So you can separate into two parts, that is q cube into q cube, right? So the base is same. If you add this both the power, it will be q to the power 6. And this can be written as, what is the minimum common factor here? P cube. So p cube into p cube, q cube. You can write it. If you add both, you will get p to the power 6 divided by p cube, q cube. What is the common factor here? P cube, q cube, and here also this one is common. So take it out. P cube, q cube. What will be in the bracket? What is left? Q cube. Q cube minus here, what is left? P cube. Divide by P cube, Q cube. So these are common factor, you can directly cancel. What is left? Q cube minus P cube. This is our answer. So our next question, question number 3, it is given, work out the following division. So the first question is given 10x minus 25 divided by 5. So we can write this one as 10x minus 25 divided by 5. What is the common factor? Both are divisible of 5, right? So this can be written as 5 into twice x minus 5 into 5 divided by 5. So minimum common factor is 5. Take it out. What will left? Twice x minus 5 will left. Divide by 5. So you can cancel this. Okay. 5 into twice x minus 5. So you can cancel this one with this. You cannot cancel this with this. Okay. Within the bracket, don't cancel it. So you can cancel this one. What is left? Twice x minus 5 is our answer. Similarly, we will do the next question. Number 3. 10y 6y plus 21 divide by 5 2y plus 7. Okay, this is the question. Now we will see within the bracket what is the common factor. Common factor is both are divisible by 3, right? 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 21. So this can be written as 10y 2 into 3 into 2y plus 3 into 7 divided by 5 2y plus 7. So take out the common factor. Common factor is 7. Take it out. This can be 10y into 3, and what will left? 2y plus 7 will left. 3 we already took out, and divide by 5 into 2y plus 7. Now you see, these are the factor 10y into 3 into 2y plus 7. Here the factor is 5 into 2y plus 7. So this, see within the bracket both the terms are same and they are multiplying with this term, so you can cancel directly this one with this. 5 how many term? 5 2s are, so 3 2s are 6, 6 into y 6y. Okay, so our next question is, you have to divide this polynomial by method. So this can be written as 96abc into 3a minus 12 5b minus 30 divide by 144 a minus 4 b minus 6. Okay, first of all what we'll do, we'll see within the bracket is there any common factor or not. So what are the common factor here? Both are multiple of 3, so 3 is common factor, so this can be written as 3 into a minus 3 into 4. And what is the common factor in this? 5. Both are multiple of 5, so this can be written as 5 into b minus 5 into 6 divide by 144 a minus 4 b minus 6. Okay, next we'll take out the common factor. What is the common factor here? 3 is common factor, so take it out. 3 into a minus 4 into, what is common factor here? 5, so take it out. So what will left? b minus 6 divide by 144 a minus 4 and b minus 6. Now all these are the factor, they're multiplying with each other. Now you see a minus 4 you can cancel it, b minus 6 you can cancel it, and this one how many time it will, if you divide by 144 and 96, these are factor of 12, right? 12 12 are 144 and 12 8 are 96, so we can cancel 12 12 are 12 8 are. Again you can cancel it by 2 by 4 you can cancel it, so 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 3 you can cancel it 3 3. So what is left here? 2 a b c is left into here 5, so our answer will be 5 2s are 10 a b c. This will be our answer, right? Moving to question number 4, divide as directed. Okay, this is the question. This is very simple. Question number 4 over number 1. So this can be written as 5 into twice x plus 1 3x plus 5 divide by twice x plus 1. So both the factor are same, you can cancel it because all the terms are multiplying, right? Our next question is given, you have to divide these factors by all these factors. Now you see there are so many common factors, right? So q plus r you can cancel because all are multiplying in the numerator as well as in the denominator. This also you can cancel, right? And here p cancel, q also cancel. 52 how many time? 104. 52 into 2, you can do it directly, 1 by 2. So what will be the answer? In the numerator r into p plus q is left and in the denominator it is 2. Okay, so moving to the last question of exercise 14.3, the question number 5, that is given, factorize the expression and divide them as directed. Okay, so here it is given, you have to divide this expression by that term. Okay, so what we will do, first we will write y square plus 7y plus 10 divide by y plus 5. So what I will do, first we will factorize this expression by midterm factorization method. In my previous video I told you how to find the factors by midterm factorization method. We'll do it here again. So here the coefficient of the highest power, that is y square, is 1. 1 into 10 is 10. So what are the factor of 10? That can be written as 2 into 5 and 10 into 1. So here it is given, in the middle term it is given 7. So you have to split this 7 into 2 parts. So this can be 2 plus 5, right? 2 plus 5 it will be 7, and if you multiply you will get this term. So what we will do, you can write this one, y square plus 5 plus 2 into y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Okay. Now this can be written as y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. Okay. So what is common in the first two term? Y. So if you take out y, what will left? From 2y if you take out 1 y will left, and from 5y if you take out y, what will left? 5 will left. Similarly in this, what are the common factor? 2. Both the term are divisible by 2. So you write down plus 2 if you take out, so this will be y. 2 how many times? 2 5 is 10 divided by y plus 5. So what is the common factor here? Y plus 5. So y plus 5 you take it out. So y plus 5 if you take out, what will left? Y plus 2 will left divided by y plus 5. Now y plus 5 and y plus 2 are the two factor, and what is the common factor here? Y plus 5, you can cancel it like this. So what will left? Y plus 2, and this is our answer. So our next question is given 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Okay, so first what we will do, we have to factorize this expression. So we will write 5p square minus 25p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Now what I told, you have to multiply the constant term with the coefficient of highest power, that is p square. So the p square, the coefficient of p square is 5. So 5 into 20 is 100. So this is the factor. There are so many factors, 2 into 50 or 4 into 25, right? There are so many factors, but we need to find the sum of two terms, or after subtracting you should get 25. So we'll be using this one, 20 plus 5, 25, right? So we'll be using that one. So this can be written as p 5p square minus 20 plus 5 p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. So 5p square minus 20 into p, 20p minus plus, it will be minus 5 into p, 5p plus 20 divided by p minus 1. Now what is common factor here? 5p, because both are multiple of 5 and p is common. So if you take out 5p, what will left here? From 5p square, if you take out 5p, p will left minus 5. How many times? 5 4s are 20. So 5p into 4 is 20p minus. What is common here? 5 is common. So if you take out 5, what will left? P, and here it will be what sign? Minus sign, because minus minus, then only it will become plus. 5 4s are 20. Fine. Divide by p minus 1. So what is common again? P minus 4. P minus 4 is common. So if you take out p minus 4, then what will left? 5p minus 5 will left, and p minus 1. Now again you see what is common here? 5 is common. So if you take out 5, this can be written as p minus 4. 5 if you take out, it can be written as 5p minus 1 divided by p minus 1. So if you cancel this one, what will left? 5 into p minus 4, and that is our answer. Fine. Moving to next question, question number 5, Roman number 5. 5pq into p square minus q square divided by 2p p plus q. Now see, okay, let me write first 5pq p square minus q square divided by 2p p plus q. Okay, now you see this will follow which formula? A square minus b square formula. So this can be written as p plus q, p minus q. So we'll write it 5pq into, this can be written as p plus q, p minus q. Okay, because that will follow a square minus b square formula. 2p, p plus q. Now what are the factor? Common factor you can cancel. P plus q and p plus q. You can cancel it. pp you can cancel it. What will left? 5 by 2 q into p minus q, and that is our answer. Okay, so that's all from exercise 14.3. I hope you understand all the question and try to do all the other question by yourself. Okay, so that's all. Thank you so much for watching.